Staying active is important. It keeps you healthy. It makes you feel good. You don't need a gym to get fit. You can work out at home. Even 10 minutes can make a difference. Before each workout, warm up for 5 minutes. First, jumping jacks, 20 reps. This gets your heart rate up. Next, high knees for 30 seconds. It's like running in place, but bring your knees high. Then, arm circles, 10 reps forward and 10 reps backward. This loosens up your shoulders. Finally, butt kicks for 30 seconds. Try to touch your glutes with your heels. These warm-up exercises prepare your body for the workout and help prevent injuries. This workout targets your entire body in just 10 minutes. It's designed to be quick, efficient, and effective, making it perfect for those with a busy schedule. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this routine can be adapted to suit your needs. First, squats 10 reps. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, lower your hips as if sitting in a chair, and stand back up. Squats are a fantastic exercise for building strength in your legs and glutes. Make sure to keep your back straight and your core engaged throughout the movement. If you're new to squats, you can start by using a chair for support. Next, push-ups, as many as you can. Start in a plank position, lower your chest to the floor, and push back up. Push-ups are excellent for working your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and avoid letting your hips sag. If regular push-ups are too challenging, you can modify by doing them on your knees or against a wall. You can modify by doing them against a wall or on your knees if needed. These modifications still provide a great workout while reducing the strain on your joints. Remember, it's important to maintain proper form to prevent injury and maximize the benefits of the exercise. Then, lunges 10 reps per leg. Step forward with one leg, lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, and return to the starting position. Lunges are great for targeting your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Keep your upper body straight and your core engaged. If you find it difficult to balance, you can hold onto a wall or a chair for support. After that, plank hold for 30 seconds. Get into a push-up position and hold, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Planks are an excellent core exercise that also works your shoulders and back. Focus on keeping your body stable and avoid letting your hips drop. If 30 seconds is too challenging, start with 10 or 15 seconds and gradually increase the time as you get stronger. Finally, jumping jacks. 20 reps. Finish strong with a burst of cardio. Jumping jacks are a great way to get your heart rate up and burn some extra calories. Make sure to land softly on your feet to reduce the impact on your joints. If you have any knee issues, you can modify by stepping side to side instead of jumping. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times with a short break between rounds. Taking a break allows your muscles to recover and helps you maintain proper form throughout the workout. Remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body. If you feel any pain or discomfort, stop and rest. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate this routine into your weekly schedule for the best results. This workout gets your heart pumping and burns calories. First, burpees 10 reps. Burpees are a full-body exercise that combines strength and cardio, making them an excellent choice for a quick and effective workout. They target multiple muscle groups, including your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. Start standing, squat down, kick your feet back into a plank position, do a push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, and stand up explosively. Make sure to keep your core engaged throughout the movement to protect your lower back and maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. If you're a beginner, you can modify the burpee by stepping back into the plank position instead of jumping. Next, mountain climbers for 30 seconds. Mountain climbers are another fantastic full-body exercise that primarily targets your core, but also works your shoulders, chest, and legs. They are great for building cardiovascular endurance and agility. Start in a plank position and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest as if running in place. Keep your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Try to move as quickly as possible while maintaining good form to get the most out of this exercise. Then, jumping jacks for 30 seconds. A classic cardio exercise. Jumping jacks are a simple yet effective way to get your heart rate up and work your entire body. They help improve your cardiovascular fitness, coordination, and flexibility. After that, high knees for 30 seconds. High knees are excellent for boosting your heart rate and working your lower body, especially your quads and hip flexors. They also help improve your running form and speed. Remember to bring those knees up high. Aim to get your knees to hip level or higher, and pump your arms to help maintain your balance and momentum. Keep your core tight and your back straight to avoid any strain on your lower back. Finally, rest for 1 minute. Rest is crucial to allow your heart rate to come down and your muscles to recover. Use this time to hydrate and catch your breath. Catch your breath and get ready for another round. This rest period is also a good time to mentally prepare yourself for the next set of exercises. Visualize yourself performing each move with perfect form and think about the benefits you're gaining from this workout. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times for a quick and effective cardio workout. By repeating the circuit, you increase the intensity and duration of your workout, which helps to burn more calories and improve your overall fitness. Remember to listen to your body and modify the exercises as needed to suit your fitness level. Workout 3: Strength Training Essentials. Welcome to your ultimate guide for building muscle and strength right from the comfort of your home. This workout is designed to help you build muscle and increase your overall strength. Whether you're using dumbbells, resistance bands, or just your body weight, these exercises will challenge you and help you achieve your fitness goals. First, we have squats for 12 reps. Squats are a fundamental exercise that targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Make sure to keep your back straight and your core engaged as you lower yourself down and push back up. Focus on proper form and squeezing your glutes at the top. Next, we move on to push-ups. Push-ups are excellent for building upper body strength, particularly in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Do as many reps as possible. Remember to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor. Challenge yourself to do more reps each time. Push-ups are a great way to measure your progress and build endurance. Then we move on to rows. Rows are fantastic for targeting your back muscles, including your lats and rhomboids. Do 10 reps per arm. Make sure to keep your back straight and pull the weight or resistance band towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top. Use a resistance band or a sturdy object to pull towards your chest, keeping your back straight. This will help you build a strong and stable back. After that, it's time for the plank. Hold for 45 seconds. Planks are excellent for building core strength and stability. Aim to increase your hold time gradually. As you get stronger, try to hold the plank for longer periods to continue challenging your core muscles. Finally, we finish with crunches for 15 reps. Crunches are a classic ab exercise that targets your rectus abdominis, helping you build a strong and defined core. Lie on your back, knees bent, and lift your upper body towards your knees. Make sure to engage your core and avoid pulling on your neck. Repeat this circuit 2 times with a short rest between rounds. Consistency is key, so make sure to perform this workout regularly to see the best results. Remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body. Benefits of short workouts. Short workouts are great for beginners. They are less intimidating. They fit into a busy schedule. They can be just as effective as longer workouts. You can still see results with consistent effort. Tips for staying motivated. 1. Find a workout buddy. Exercise is more fun with a friend. 2. Schedule your workouts. Treat them like important appointments. 3. Track your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be motivating. 4. Reward yourself. Celebrate your achievements, big or small. And 5. Don't be afraid to modify. Make exercises easier if needed. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body. Stop if you feel pain. Take breaks when needed. It's okay to start slow. Gradually increase the intensity. You will get stronger over time. Conclusion. Starting a workout routine doesn't have to be overwhelming. These 10-minute home workouts offer a great starting point for beginners. Remember to be consistent, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. You got this. Subscribe for more tips.